Sports not only builds the competitive spirit amongst the children, but also builds physical fitness, confidence, and teamwork. Welcome to the annual Sports Day of the primary section at Fravashi Academy.
I remember very clearly being the head girl marching past, saluting our flag. And today, while I was on the other end and I was seeing all the students marching past, it made me feel so proud of how the school has grown and how all the children have such amazing opportunities. Ratan sir and Sharvari ma'am have seen me since I was a primary student, and I have always felt that coming to Fravashi is like coming home. I am so comfortable when I walk into the campus, even as a parent, and that feeling is, I cannot put it in words. It is the feeling that you get when you come home. And it is only because the teachers and everyone on campus is so supportive and so loving and has always been that way for me.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Ratan sir and Fravashi family for organizing such a fantastic grand event of annual sports meet. The efforts and the teamwork by all the students, by all the teachers was much appreciable and appreciating for us.
Every nice day they call chief guest. It can be anyone, and by seeing them we get a dream that when we grow up we like to be like them. The school motivates us to be more better.
फ्रावशी स्कूलला टाकण्याचा डिसिजन हा माझा होता आणि आजपर्यंत 4 वर्ष त्यांनी जे छान परफॉर्म केलं आहे आणि आजचा स्पोर्ट्स डे बघून मला माझा डिसिजन की जे मी घेतलेला निर्णय खूपच म्हणजे चांगला होता. स्कूलला इतकं छान सगळ्या मुलांचं करून घेता की आम्हाला घरी असं प्रेशर नाही येत की मुलांचा कसा अभ्यास किती घ्यायचा किंवा मुलांनी हे केलंच पाहिजे की ऑलरेडी त्यांचं स्कूलला छान झालेलं असते.
त्यांचं डेडिकेशन, त्यांचं जे क्रिएशन होतं तिथे, त्या पद्धतीनं त्यांनी अक्षरशः म्हणजे आम्हाला स्तब्ध करून टाकलं. खूप सुंदर पद्धतीनं त्यांनी त्यांचे मलखांब म्हणा, त्यांचे जिम्नॅस्टिक म्हणा, रिले रेस, अडथळा रेस जबरदस्त पद्धतीनं त्यांनी सादर केलं.